Hey, what's going on YouTube? What's going on YouTube? Biker Tony here. Alright, we got the Zx6r. I know it's been a minute. I haven't gave you guys any recent videos. And alright, so we got the Zx6r, and right now I'm gonna do a sprocket upgrade. So currently right now on the bike we have an upgraded sprocket. It's a Vortex, and the upgraded sprocket size is a 42. The bike originally came with a 43, which is right there. The bike originally came with a 43, and I had the 43 sprocket on there. It was pretty good, but it was just a lot of torque, and I didn't really like it. And plus, being in Florida, the 9/10, it wasn't doing it. So I went down to a 42 steel. So this is a 42 steel Vortex sprocket 520. If you guys don't know, the Zx6r 2019 and up comes with a 520 chain factory. So I got the Vortex on there, and it's pretty good. It's a pretty good sprocket. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you guys right now a video of the 43 sprocket, and here it go. So as you can see, you saw the video of the 43 sprocket, which was pretty good, and I liked it. It did some damage. And now I'm going to show you the video of the 42 sprocket, which is on the bike right now, which is a pretty good sprocket. I like it, but when it comes to the 9/10 racing, I kind of top out a little before the 9/10. Basically, this 42 gearing is good for half mile. So that's a half mile sprocket. And I raced another bike. I don't have the video footage of that. I apologize for you guys. I raced the Zx6r 600, and he got me on top. So with that being said, I went ahead and purchased right now another sprocket. I purchased a Vortex 41. Now, I know the bike is different color blue, but I had all color sprockets, and this is the only one that I never had. I had the red one, I had the black one, and now I got the blue one. So I'm gonna put a Vortex aluminum 41. So I can tell you guys this. You see, look, I can literally hold this up with probably 3 fingers, and if I could have balanced it, I could have do 2. Very light. Now look at this one. It's a big difference as far as turning weight mass on the rear wheel. So damn. So what we're gonna do is, we already got the tools ready. We got the tools right there. And we also have right here, we also got my air gun. And I'm gonna go ahead and start on this project. Take off the rear wheel, put on the sprocket, put it back on, and we're gonna be 41. And I'm gonna do some pulls tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday Fun Day. I'm gonna do a couple pulls, and we're just gonna see how it goes. Right here I got my music, and we're just gonna do a couple pulls, and I'm gonna show you guys the video of when I do the pull. So I showed you guys the video of the 43, which was stock. I showed you guys the video of the 42, which is the one that I got steel, and now I'm gonna show you guys the video of the 41, which I just purchased. So all right, video coming soon. Fun Day, Sunday Fun Day is tomorrow, and footage will be uploaded.